You bad thing, yeah. Let me hear the man. Let me hear the hand. Before walks with your hands. It's all the parties with your hands. And brown sugar with your hands. And see the rings with your hands. And BB with your hands. Well, now give me that beat. That's a Billy Boots. That's a Billy Boots. That's your homie. That's your homie. That's your group home. That's your mama pop. That's your vibe mode. That's your blue mode. That's your one mode. That's your lady god. That's your lady god. That's your words. That's your words. That's your south side. That's your main chain. I'm walking on. Put it there. That's what I was waiting on right there. Now, let me tell you something. Don't y'all forget each and every Friday right here at the Icebox. Y'all know how we do. This Sunday, we doing a little cookout on Camera Run. Mike Steve and all the crew. Y'all know how we do. Y'all just come on through and show your love. 2 pieces, that's all. It don't take a lot to put on the 2 pieces and get the hot air, the hot sun. Suntan lotion is needed. Ain't that right, Mike Steve? Suntan lotion is needed. Let it go, we go. Come on, come on. Let me see back there, Bob. You like that, you fine, baby. I see you pushing it up down there in the low. Yeah! Yes, it is. I hear who's that? Now, who is that calling on it? Say what? You see down there? The Lady God's crew. God damn it, come on. Niggas used to come against me when it was time to just be with the enemy. Pass the Hennessy to give me energy. Pack the gat in the small of my back. Where these niggas at? I'm here the whole pack. Talking shit cause I'm down for my set. I'm a vet. Smoking on a red cigarette. Who the niggas think they are? Wishing on the J-Rock star. I represent my side. I start busting in the scatter like waterwood. Cause these J-Rock niggas is hard to love. When it's slavers, nothing can save us. Unfit neighbors, shooting at your neighbor. But sometimes I feel like a nut. I don't give a fuck when I open the fucking rock. Now from the back, bitch. And bust her ass niggas run like a track. And if you're caught in the middle, please fall to the middle. Kill them, kill them, the hospital. Feel the jump from the bullets I help me when they black bubbles have this. I don't give a shit. Ooh, I'm a man, you can bet. Yeah, I can dance on the water. And I can sweat. Check it. A young ghetto that loaded in a wheelchair. Ooh, I'm a man, you can bet. Yeah, I can dance on the water. And I can sweat. Check it. A young ghetto that loaded in a wheelchair. Wheels get wet. From the juice on the grass up early in the morning. Hey, taking out the trash. Feeling like a loser, alcohol, feel something. 2 youngsters rolling up in the beach cruiser. One on the pedal, the other on the handlebar. Trying to beat J-Rock.
CCO that be. Y'all the 46 crew. East Street done pop through too.
Yeah,
All of
yeah.
New Orleans.
I'm laughing, but it ain't funny. I'm laughing, but it ain't funny. Niggas used to come against me when it was down to just beef with the enemy. Pass the Hennessy to give me energy. Back to get in the small of my back. Where these bitches at? With a whole back. Talking shit cause I'm down for my shit. I'm a vet. Smoking on a red cigarette. These niggas think they are. This shit on the train, my star. I represent my star. Now I stop busting in the shadow like Waterwood.
blessings, you know. You see 44. We get ready to take a 2-4-6-8 the video, you know. You see all that goddamn broke heel crew. Sweet Miss Lisa and Miss Tia that came on through the bleeding season. Yes, indeed. Yo, we drink that pop. Thank all the goddamn lockdown ladies coming through. We gonna take a 2-4-6-8 right here. Don't you go nowhere. Atlanta, God's thanks for stopping.